Well, howdy, folks. It's Captain Banana. Yeah, long time no see. I'm here in my terminal in Omaha. Man, one hell of a hailstorm just blew through. It's Tuesday, June 7th. Can you believe it? Yeah, it was a crazy storm. I got a lot of it on video. I got maybe half the storm on video. Be honest with you, I was kind of scared. I thought maybe my windows might break in my truck. I know my cat was terrified. She was hiding. And, anyway, enough yapping from me. I will post videos of the storm. Crazy. And that's hailstones. I mean, the way that was coming down, I thought for sure my windows were going to break. That is nuts.